Welcome to another Corsini Acoustic Solutions project. For this studio, our team utilized 3D acoustic design to bring the client's vision to life. Let's explore how we combined aesthetics and performance. Our first step was crafting detailed 3D renderings. These visuals help the client see their studio concept come to life, ensuring every detail aligned with their goals. On the front wall, we featured Artnovion's Atlas diffusers, Botox absorbers, and Azteka corner bass traps for precise sound control. The sidewalls combine Galen hybrid panels with Bow hybrid absorbers, balancing diffusion and absorption. For the ceiling, Botox, Bow, and Myron E diffusers were integrated for optimal sound dispersion and visual appeal. The back wall includes Azteka absorbers, Botox, and Atlas for comprehensive sound management. From the 3D blueprints, you can see how the panels are installed using Artnovion's FixArt tube and GlueArt systems, as well as panels with integrated fixing solutions. These meticulous plans ensured seamless installation and the best acoustic results. The elevation and isometric views provide a detailed overview of the studio, showcasing the strategic placement of every panel for acoustic precision. Corsini Acoustic Solutions delivers a comprehensive acoustic analysis report illustrating the before and after states of acoustic treatment. The first image showcases detailed reverberation time reductions across frequencies, absorption coefficients per surface, and the targeted improvements aligned with industry standards. The second image provides an in-depth room modes and spectral analysis, visualizing the room's resonance behavior and the impact of axial, tangential, and oblique modes. These insights ensure precision in designing acoustic treatments tailored to each space, transforming auditory environments with measurable results. The on-site pre-installation analysis focused on optimizing the placement of speakers, subwoofers, and the primary listening position. By leveraging advanced acoustic measurement tools, we mapped the room's acoustic profile, ensuring a balanced soundstage and minimizing room mode interference. The installation of Artnovion panels incorporated their innovative integrated fixing system. The bass traps and Atlas diffusers were securely mounted using their built-in support, ensuring precise positioning for maximum performance. The Botox and Azteka absorbers utilized the FixArt tube system, a flexible and efficient solution that allowed for seamless alignment and installation. This meticulous approach combined functionality and aesthetics, delivering both acoustic efficiency and a visually stunning result. The project included the installation of the Session Desk Octave, a robust and ergonomic workstation. Its modular design complements the acoustic treatment and integrates seamlessly with the studio's functional needs. The reverberation times were substantially reduced across all frequencies, especially in the mid-range and higher frequencies, resulting in a more balanced and controlled acoustic environment. The improvement aligns closely with target reverberation goals, enhancing clarity and overall listening conditions. The treated environment exhibits a remarkable enhancement in clarity and definition. The improved uniformity across frequencies highlights the effectiveness of the treatment in minimizing room reflections and resonances, creating a balanced and acoustically precise listening space.